Hey guys, Bea here, and in this video we're going to be talking about what's been happening, channel updates, and what you can look forward to next. As you already know, for the past year and something, we have been publishing videos about the psychology of, well, everything. And I'm here to announce that we're not going to be continuing with the Psychology of Everything series anymore.
Oh no!
But not to worry, we're still going to bring you more psychology-related content. In the next couple of months, you can look forward to videos about meditation, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence. Which brings me to the main announcement of this video. I'm here to announce that we're going to be publishing an online course. And it's about a topic that is very near and dear to my heart: emotional intelligence. We have also been busy preparing content for our Facebook and Instagram pages, and especially the Instagram page I have been really proud of lately, so if you are not following us there, go ahead and check it out. As always, you can find all of the links in the description box below. So I guess that's it for updates, and I will see you in the next video.